What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking. Now we're getting ready for our 798 break tonight. It is more Ultimate Collection. We're hoping to find a shield tonight. It's going to happen sooner or later. We're live. Good luck. We got a big random coming up here. 942. Paula, spot 1. Clay, spot 31. And we got Anaheim, Winnipeg with Vegas in there. We need them. Let's start with the teams. And again, it is 943. 1, 2, 3. This is timestamp. Timestamp goes here, and timestamp says 9:43. 9:43 it is. We're on our last and final. Last and final timestamp says 9:43, and 9:43 it still is. So Winnipeg, top spot down to Minnesota. Nope, Calgary. Winnipeg to Calgary. And Minnesota to Vancouver, right on the bottom of the list. All right, there's your teams. Now we got to match up the names as always. Still 943 for now. Paula to Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Just making sure I didn't leave those guys, the guys who I took out. No, we're good. All right, third timestamp. Slow. Third timestamp. 9:44. 9:44. Last and final. Last and final timestamp says 9:44 this time, and 9:44 it is. So here's your names. Brady, top spot. Down to Patrick, the halfway mark. And Rob to Brandon. Here's your teams, folks. We'll post them. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Please tag me if any trades, and good luck.